Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Hey, we're going to keep you ahead of the game here as we head through some milder temperatures heading our way. Rivers are going to be responding as our ditches are filling with water. It'll begin flowing its way into the river system. We continue to talk our way through what's going on here, but you can see here from the Dakota Magic Casino view, as we look northward on 29, there is just vast amounts of snow across our prairies. And until we see more bare earth, our temperature will have a hard time getting above 50, but that does not mean we're not melting a lot of the snow. The energy in the atmosphere today and the temperatures are wide spread. You'll see in a moment. 46 right now at Hector. South wind 14 miles per hour, feels like 40. Check out the dike there in East Grand Forks. 38 there after a high of only 40 degrees. South winds at 11 miles per hour. We do see some overcast. Check this out. Where the field of snow has been deep, we talked about this last week, temperatures locked in the 30s and 40s, but at the edge of the snowpack where it's receding, and it's melting away. We're seeing 60s and 70s. Watertown, how about near 70 there? Look at Hettinger. Pull a banana from the tree. Try to forecast this. It's challenging. Trees of Minnesota, we told you last week, would be warmer. We got near 60 today in the Bemidji area. Check out 39, 37 Oaks, 48 in Jamestown. You hit 50. Terrain and local impacts are huge, and actually where the thermometer is huge. Here in Fargo, it's at Hector International Airport, north of town with south winds. Well, the wind will be blowing across town where we have concrete and asphalt jungle, if you will. That warms the air a little bit, so we'll have a chance at getting a little warmer here. But look at Moorhead, more surrounded by agricultural land, prairie land, 39 your temperature there. It's a tough forecast, but here's the thing. We're not going to get as warm as our neighbors in Bemidji are, thanks to the fact that we still have a lot more snow to melt. Detroit Lakes enjoying 54 degrees. Wax those water skis and get ready. It's coming, folks. It's like scattered showers in the Pacific Northwest. Severe thunderstorms in Oklahoma. For us, we're quiet. Overnight, quiet. Morning temperatures will be near freezing, so some of us will see that melt continuing all night long. That continues the process. Tomorrow the wind picks up. We're going to have gusts 35 to 40 miles per hour in the afternoon. It will erode away some of the snow down south and out west. And once again, those will be the areas with the best chance at seeing 50 degrees or better. We will see that once again in the trees of Minnesota. More clouds tomorrow than today, the way things are looking as well, at least early in the day, and then a whole bunch of wind. And sometimes this wind can really help to erode the snowpack as well. Just check through records of the area, by the way, that go back to other flood years and looked at temperatures. It's very rare. In fact, I never found it with more than 8 inches of snow that we've ever been above 50 degrees. So once we hit 10 inches, 8 inches, we'll start letting you know to get the flip-flops out, okay? Justin, sound good? Yeah. Flip-flops are good. 33 in the morning, 50 for your afternoon or close to it. We're going to kiss it, let's call it that. Southerly winds 30 to 45 miles per hour across the region. Mixed skies out there. It looks like a dry day. It will be windy, it will be warmer, and we will see a few of you getting up into the 50s. The melt will continue. All right, checking in on your planning forecast as we go through the next few days. Wednesday, even though the peak of the energy in the atmosphere is going to be tomorrow in our region, where we will see some 70s, even 80s out in the western Dakotas, we'll have a better chance here in Fargo at seeing some 50-plus degree readings, thanks to the fact we're going to melt more snow. A little bit of rain in the forecast. We'll be keeping our eyes on that. Mixed precipitation by Saturday, thanks to cooler air moving in behind this system. That kind of locks up the moisture. We want to do this slowly, inject it into the rivers, and we're going to have high water for quite a while, so have the Valley News Live weather app handy to stay ahead of that game. It feels warm. It's been so cold. We were out for a little stroll yesterday for Easter, and my son asked me if we can go in the pool. Well, it's that time of year. It feels warm. Tell him to wax those